The third product on this list is the Parmida Swivel under cabinet lighting. This next unit is an energy-efficient and reliable lighting solution that comes with numerous features and accessories to ensure easy installation and customization. Its swivel feature enables the adjustment of lens angles up to 130 degrees, allowing for flexibility in light direction and placement. This product boasts a durable aluminum body, ETL, and ENERGY STAR certifications, and a 5-year unlimited warranty, all of which guarantee safety and longevity. With the 3-in-1 color level switch, you can choose your desired color temperature between soft white, cool white, and daylight to suit your preference and space. Moreover, the fixture is dimmable and linkable with the included linking cable and inline connector, making it easy to customize the lighting to your needs. The Parmida LED swivel under cabinet lighting also comes with mounting and installation accessories for both plug-in and hardwired methods, ensuring hassle-free installation. The 5-foot power cable and 12-inch linking line included in the package also allow you to connect multiple fixtures, making it easy to customize the lighting for your entire space. Lastly, we like that this is a practical and valuable lighting option that offers versatility and customization at an affordable price. Its pros are: it is durable and safe with an aluminum body, ETL listed and ENERGY STAR certified. It comes with accessories for both hardwired and plug-in installation, and it has an adjustable lens angle of up to 130 degrees for focused lighting. However, at over 5 inches wide, it is significantly bulkier than others on this list, which may be an issue for some. The Parmida Swivel under cabinet lighting is a versatile and energy-efficient lighting solution that offers adjustable color temperature, dimming capability, and a rotatable lens for customized lighting in any space.